video is all about freelancing, and in this video I'm going to show you that how I landed my first client just by using some of my personal fantastic techniques about freelancing that I'm going to show you guys and teach you guys. So let's get to the video. When it comes to freelancing, I understand that many people do struggle and they cannot find a single client because they're lacking something there, and which is marketing yourself. Yes, you heard right. Businesses are already out there who need your services. For example, if there is a real estate agent, he probably needing a website design for himself to promote the real estate projects and to display his experience on the website, because nowadays website is really important. So here comes the very important part, which is if you are a website designer, you should be reaching out to that particular real estate agent and you're gonna pitch your services to him. Okay, there are some main points that I need to address in this video. Number one point that I'm gonna discuss with you guys is learn a skill, number one, and then master it. Yeah, I know that mastering a skill will require you 6 months to up to 1 or 2 years. It depends upon you that if you're putting daily 2 hours or probably 5 hours a day to that skill, because it's really important that having the passion inside you to work towards that skill. And it's really important if you want to become a freelancer or a part-time or whatever you want to become. Mastering a skill, the back point of that skill is to solve a problem which is related to client's problem. For example, here's a small example. I'm gonna like explain you guys that if there is a designer, he designs some post related to marketing or something, and the marketing manager said that okay, we will run Google ads or Facebook ad related to this post. So here the graphic designer is solving a problem. That's the main important point. And there are many skills that you can learn. For example, copywriting, content writing, and then graphic designing, video editing especially, because video editing is high in demand nowadays due to TikTok and many other social media platforms. I personally don't recommend anyone to go to the freelance platforms and start, because first of all, the market is very too saturated. And for example, if you're trying to create an account on Fiverr, on Upwork, first of all, you need to pass the application on Upwork. To pass the application, you'll be needing about like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because it keep rejecting. And there are some special techniques that you will use to approve the application. I will make another video related to this one. But Fiverr especially, see, each gig on Fiverr you will see is $5. That's it. They're really great platforms because I've worked on them. So I was talking about importance of having your own website, which is really important. And I think that many people do not have their own websites. For example, they're working on Fiverr and Upwork for almost like 5 years or 10 years, or like they're top rated on both of them platforms. But the thing is that the outside audience of Fiverr and Upwork doesn't know you. So I think it's a point where you should be making your own website, and building your website is not that it's easy, but to design a proper layout of UX UI, it's not easy. If you cannot do it, hire someone else to do it for you. That's 100% much better, because you're saving your time, guys. And I think that having your own site is really important if you are a freelancer or any kind of creative artist, and if you're a content writer as well. That's really important to have your own website. So I push you guys to make your own website and just put your presence all over the social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Just leverage everything that you have right now, because this is the time, guys, because TikTok is growing like before. Previously the Facebook was growing. For example, TikTok growth is really high right now, guys, because I think you need to be taking advantage of the TikTok. So make sure that you make an account on TikTok and just post daily what's your niche about. For example, if you know anything, just teach to people, or if you know anything, just make video and post it. That's it. Eventually, if you start to put your time at the right place, you will see the results. So as far, I'm not saying that the freelancing platforms are bad. They are really good, because I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. I had a profile which was top rated. Now it's like I have like 90% or 90% job score, which is like pretty much good. I do provide graphic design services and website design services, but I'm not jack of all trades. I know everything, but I'm not jack of all trade, guys.